It's the moment we've been waiting for right here on the Wray and Nephew Contender Season 8 premiere. Right now is when the fighters gear up for that walk of pain, because you know what them say, right? No pain, no gain. So making his way to the ring is the challenger tonight. He's looking to climb the ranks with a win. Representing Team Canada, make some noise for Lloyd Tigana Reyes.
When you see me, remember I'm the hottest man alive. You see me? The clothes me wear, the car them where we drive. You see me? Woman I scream anywhere me arrive. My life sweeter than the honey from the hive. When you see me, remember I'm the hottest thing around. You see me? In a me merch, cruising through the town. You see me? When your girlfriend a run me down. Me keep me head above the water when them want to see me dry. I got girls, Wally. Yes, me used to have a wife, yeah.
We see you. The next boxer has grown year after year in the competition, so of course the expectations are very high for him this season. He's one of Jamaica's top-ranked boxers. Give it up for Richard Frog Holmes.
Still come in a love likes, in a dancer style, and everybody ever like. Still the irie, come in a love likes. No, so every time I rise, we do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know substance over hype. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. No for them love lights, that's alright. Sit down on a post and I tweet all night. Sit down on social media type. While I'm second day studio.
Hello, the frog is feeling froggy. War of words, check. Walk of pain, check. What's next? It's over to our official commentator, Patrick Anderson, for tonight's Tale of the Tape.
Thank you very much, Crystal. Well, the Tale of the Tape. You can tick 3 boxes in favor of Richard Holmes. Both gentlemen are the same age. Holmes has a 2-inch height advantage, a 2-inch reach advantage. They came in at the same weight, but the big difference here tonight, Holmes has 24 professional fights as against none for Reyes, who makes his professional debut, but he has experience as a mixed martial artist. What do we expect tonight? It's going to be a dandy. To get all the details, here is ring announcer Oliver Hardy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you and welcome to the Chinese Benevolent Association, Kingston, Jamaica. As TVJ brings you another season of the Wray and Nephew Contender, sponsored by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, guaranteed full strength. This bout is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control with our president, Stephen Bomber Jones, and our vice presidents, Alexander Johnson and Lieutenant Colonel Derek Robinson. Our judges at ringside are Ransford Burton, Jeremy Hayes, and Lindell Allen. Our timekeepers are Valerie Murphy and Kemar Duncan. And our doctors at ringside, Dr. Orain Howell, Dr. Andre McDonald, and his short-time team. Okay, boxing fans, here we go with our main event of the evening. 6 rounds of boxing in a welterweight matchup. And now, for the hundreds in attendance and the millions joining us around Jamaica, live from the CBA, it's the Wray and Nephew Contender! Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner, representing Canada by way of Burlington, Ontario. Wearing black trunks with white trim, he weighed in at 147 pounds. He is making his professional debut, Lloyd Tigana Reyes. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner, representing Jamaica by way of St. Andrew, Jamaica. Wearing black trunks with silver trim, he weighed in at 147 pounds. He has a professional record of 16 wins, 8 losses, 8 big wins coming by way of knockout. Richard Frog Holmes. And our third man in the ring, our referee, Ian Jardin.
Okay, gentlemen, I expect a clean fight. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands. Touch gloves, let's go.
Let's move.
As always, Ian Jardine on your screen. He's not large, but he is absolutely in charge. Vic Costa there, the trainer of Lloyd Reyes. And here is Richard the Frog Holmes. Ian Jardine is ready, the referee, and it's hard to believe that we are back for another season of the Wray and Nephew Contender Series. Season 8. 5 rounds of boxing in the welterweight division. The limit, you can't weigh heavier than 147 pounds. Both boxers right on the money. And Holmes looks in peach of a condition. Reyes making his pro debut. Doesn't have an amateur fight. 8 bouts as a mixed martial artist. 4 wins, 4 losses. I think the big difference here tonight will be the experience of Holmes. 24 pro fights, 16 victories, 8 knockouts. Might be a little bit too much for Reyes. Already Holmes pressing Reyes. Reyes signaling his intention to go to the body. Holmes biding his time. Only 30, but a veteran of the Contender Series. I think this is his 7th season of 8. And he has always put on a show. Approaching a minute left of the opening round. It has been a patient Richard Holmes. Ian Jardine is telling Lloyd Reyes to keep his punches up. Reyes, black trunks, white trim, red and white gloves, representing Canada. Holmes also in a black trunk with white trim with the black, green and gold of Jamaica. Just about 20 seconds to go. Good punch to the body by Reyes. It's keeping Holmes a little bit off balanced. Holmes really trying to settle down and figure out just what Lloyd Reyes has to offer, and has decided in the last 10 seconds to step in and throw some hard punches. The bell sounds.